On the riverbank, a small boy named Gerry stands dwarfed by a massive wooden barrel, its shadow engulfing him. With unwavering resolve, he scoops water from the wide, flowing river, using only a tarnished spoon. Each spoonful is meticulously poured into the barrel, yet the vastness remains stubbornly empty. Villagers watch from the riverbank, their faces a mixture of amusement and disbelief as Gerry persists in his impossible task. Under the relentless afternoon sun, Gerry toils tirelessly by the riverbank, beads of sweat glistening on his brow. Young Shela watches Gerry, her eyes reflecting a growing admiration for his unwavering dedication. Driven by compassion, Shela grabs a bucket, her small hands determined to ease Gerry's burden. Shela begins to carry water, her footsteps echoing Gerry's tireless rhythm. The villagers, once filled with laughter, now watch in silence as Shela joins Gerry's solitary labor. A shared sense of purpose begins to ripple through the air, replacing the earlier apathy with quiet respect. Under the setting sun, the village unites, a human chain of buckets and pots, moving towards a common goal. The air vibrates with purpose, each villager contributing to the urgent task. As the last rays of sunlight paint the sky gold, the barrel brims, water cascading over its edge. Gerry's exhausted smile mirrors the shared triumph, the villagers' cheers echoing their collective victory.